Welcome! In front of me I have IMILAB W01 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the GloryFit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page scroll down, find the button called Unbind and tap on it, and then tap on Confirm to disconnect the watch from your phone. As you can see, the watch disappeared from the device page. We can close the app, and at this point the watch is unpaired from our phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.